This is your repetition function or rept function. Okay, it will repeat a text a given number of times. So you should use rept to fill a cell with the number of instances of a text string. So what we have is syntax is rept the text you want and the number of times you want to repeat. So as an example, if I want this, okay, star star star, I want 10 times. Okay, I want to use the repeat function. How I can do? I will use here rept. Okay, I will use star. Okay, remember star has to be within the double quote. Okay, and the number of times is 10. Okay, right. So this will give me this. So please remember that both the text and number of times are required over here. If you miss this, okay, number of times, it will give you wrong, right? So this is the idea. And then the next one is I want this type of pattern. Okay, how you can get this pattern, right? So this is a very simple thing. Okay, the next function, or this is our last function we have, is concatenate function. Okay, so what the concatenate function will do is it will join the text strings. Okay, so it will combine multiple text string into one text string. The maximum number you can of string that you can join is 255. Okay, so what they are saying is this first text string is mandatory, and then after that you have optional. Okay, so if you put concatenate and only one text string, let's say suppose you put xyz, the outcome will be xyz only, right? So first is compulsory, but you can use the others. Okay, so what we have is we have to use concatenate function we can use to join the item. So as an example, so what we have is I have Barack here, Obama here, President USA 1961, right? I want to produce Barack Obama. How I can use concatenate to produce? So what I will do is, okay, I will use concatenate, okay, and then text one, which is Barack, and then Obama, right? So if I do this, what happens is I have got these two concatenation, but the issue here is that there is no space between the two. But I wanted here Barack and space Obama. How I can get it? Okay, so what you can do is you can say that the second thing that you want is a space. Okay, so you are concatenating now three string. First string is this Barack, okay, second is space, and third is Obama. That is what you have to specify. So you press comma and then you specify Obama and then you close it. So you see that here your Barack space Obama has come, right? So this is how you have to do. So if you see here, the next is Barack Obama is president of USA. So what we have given, president we have given, but is and of we have not given. So you have to put in between and you can compute. So and then Barack Obama was born in 1961, but here I have given star 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 4 times. Okay, so rather than putting star star 4 times, you can use the repeat function inside and you can produce. So just let's say suppose as an example, I want, okay, Barack and I want star 5 times, okay, and then I want Obama, right? So what I have is, okay, sorry, I have to put this star in the text. Okay, right? See, it has given me Barack star 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 Obama, right? So this kind of manipulations you can do. So this is your concatenate function, right? So if you see, we have seen lots of function, okay, but what we find is like the search, left, right, mid, len. This can be used a lot to manipulate, okay, right? So these are the things that we have. So please note that, okay, so this is your list of functions that you have, right?